see me? Am I live? Hi everyone. Yes, I can see myself too. Hello, hi. I'm Ivy Boyce from Shillong, the capital city of Meghalaya. Meghalaya is also known as a dome of clouds. Abode of clouds, sorry. Okay, hi, I can see, yes, let me see. Hi Ila, hi Varsha, namaskar, namaste, Adab, welcome to Amul Simple Homemade Recipes. I hope I'm audible. Can you all hear me? Yes, okay. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make Pan Rasmalai. Very easy recipe and a quick one, and very delicious too. Okay, so I will start to boil the milk. Now I have taken 500 ml of Amul Taza. So this is what I'm doing. I have now switched on the flame, put it on medium and started allowing the milk to boil. Okay, and in the meantime I will start, because it's Pan Rasmalai, I'm going to take 3 pan leaves. Please use meetha pan, and I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces and grind them. Now please feel free to clear your queries, and I'll try as much as I can to help you clear your doubts. Now from the 500 ml of milk, I have kept around 10 to 12 ml, now which I'm going to pour it into the mixie jar, and now I'll go and grind it. I'll grind it here. Thank you for joining from Abu Dhabi. I'm so glad. Hi Varsha. Hi Amit. Hi Tanu. Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me live on Amul Simple Homemade Recipe. Today I'm going to make Pan Rasmalai. Very unique, delicious and a very easy recipe too. So now I'm grinding the pan leaves with a little bit of milk from the 500 ml of Amul Taza, and the rest of the milk I have put it on the flame to come to boil. Am I audible? Can you hear me clearly? Yes, this is done. So we'll just keep it aside. Now for the Pan Rasmalai, I have already crushed the pan leaves in a little bit of milk. Put the rest of the milk. I have actually together taken 500 ml of Amul Taza. From that 500 ml, I have kept around 10 to 12 ml for crushing the pan leaves. I have taken 3 meetha pan leaves, which I have cut it into small pieces. Now we'll make the Rasmalai balls. Okay, so I have already grated 100 gram of fresh Amul paneer. So what I have done is, I have already made the paneer from 1 liter of milk by using vinegar, of course from Amul Taza. Now to quicken the process, I have already separate the water out and I have crushed it. So here this is 100 gram of fresh paneer which I have made from Amul Taza. Now Amul is a very well-known brand of India. Amul stands for purity, and I'm glad and I'm really thankful to Amul for giving me this platform once again. So now this is a bit difficult part. At the same time, we'll also have to look at the milk. Now as it boils, now what we'll do is, we will lower the flame to simmer and we'll scrape the sides and put all the malai back into the milk. Now before I start with the rasmalai balls, what I'm going to now do is, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Amul Taza and less than 1, is actually half a tablespoon of crushed or powdered sugar. Okay, now I'll give it a quick stir. Okay, and in the meanwhile, I'll make the rasmalai balls. Now for the rasmalai balls, what I'm going to do is, I'll add less than half tablespoon of maida to prevent the balls from breaking, and half tablespoon of Amul spray. Now we will mix it. Now mixing, we have to do it very nicely, because if we mix nicely, it will help the balls, the rasmalai balls to be formed. Okay, so we'll keep on kneading it till it is like makhan, butter, makhan के जैसा होना चाहिए. So I'm thankful to Amul for giving me this platform once again. Actually, I have a YouTube channel also named What's Cooking in Ivy's Kitchen. You can try it out for some very unique and interesting recipes. And of course, lot of traditional recipes from the Northeast as well. So as I'll start to answer your queries. If there is any, just scroll down. Hi everyone. So at the same time, now for this pan rasmalai, we do not want the milk to be very thick. So what I'll do is, I'll just switch off the gas. So any queries? And are there any queries? So I have taken 100 gram of paneer which I have made from Amul Taza. I have added half tablespoon of maida flour and half tablespoon of Amul spray. Okay, and now I'm kneading it. Meanwhile, we have allowed the milk to come to a rolling boil. Added 2 tablespoons of Amul spray to thicken the milk, and 1 tablespoon, or not one, half tablespoon of powdered sugar. Okay, now this will take some time. You have to knead for about 10 minutes. Because if we do not knead, it will break. So this is the most difficult part. This is the hardest part, but rest of it is quite easy, and this is going to be very, very delicious. I'll tell you the ingredients and the amounts as I use it along the recipe. So no worries, and if you have still some doubts, do ask me again. So I'm Ivy. I'm from Shillong. I'm a teacher by profession, but passionately I am a home chef. I love to cook. I love to cook and try out different recipes. Are there any queries? No. Okay. So I have a YouTube channel named What's Cooking in Ivy's Kitchen. So do try it out. There are quite a lot of recipes, some very unique one, and some traditional recipes from the Northeast. I come from a place which is very beautiful. It is quite famous. It's also known as the rock capital of India. You know, annually we have a cherry blossom festival which recently ended in the month of November. The winter sky, you know, becomes pink when the cherry blossom blooms. It's a lovely sight that time. Okay, so as we are kneading it, it's becoming soft. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll make balls. So the number of the rasmalai balls depends on the size. Okay. So but it makes around 8 to 9. Till now, but this is not over yet. We'll have to stuff it with something. I'll tell you what. So what I'm going to do is I'm just making exactly 8. What's the powder you put? Okay, now in the paneer I have put half a tablespoon of Amul spray, and that is milk powder, and half a tablespoon of maida. Is it clear? No, it's, you do not need to apply ghee on your palms because you know the paneer will have some ghee. You can already see I have not applied any ghee, but it has become all, you know, oily because it's, you know, it's a fresh paneer that I have used. Okay, so now I just wash my hands. And I'll get the gulkan pot. Ajay ji, is it clear? Now what I'll do here is, this is Gulkand. I think we all know what Gulkand is. You will get in any Gali ka pan walas. Gulkand is easily available. Now Gulkand is very sticky, so working will be difficult. I have put it in the refrigerator for about 4 to 5 hours so that it becomes easy to work with it. Now I'll make some small balls with the Gulkand. Okay. We'll make exactly 8 balls, because I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah, exactly 8. So if you make balls and if you put it in the refrigerator, it will become easy for you to handle it, because otherwise Gulkand is very, very sticky. Now I'll switch on the gas again. On steam. Now I'll add the pan, crushed pan. Okay. So the crushed pan, which I had done at the starting of the show. Now here I have taken 3 meetha pan leaves. Okay, so through a sieve, I'll add the now you can add color, but I don't want to use color, so I'm not using it. Now if you find that the 3 pans will be will give too much of a pan flavor, you can just add 2 pan leaves, not an issue, but I'm using 3. So that depends on your choice. Now let us get back to the. So now what I'm going to do is, please look carefully, I'm going to put the Gulkand inside the chana balls that I had made, and this is very, very critical. There should not be any lines and gaps. Okay, so here goes our first one. So now second one. So in this way we will make all the rasmalai balls. Am I audible? Is it clear, everyone? Any queries? Now if the side breaks, if you can see the side breaking, so what you do is, you simply move it between your palms like this. So once again, I would like to thank Amul for this huge platform. Hi Preeti ji. Hi Tulika. Hi Rangana Chakravarti. Thank you very much, Amul. Yes, Amul, the taste of India. Very correct. Pratibha Jain, you find the recipe interesting? I'm so glad. Thank you. Okay, so it's quite easy one, just that the balls, and when you make, you have to keep a few things in mind. Okay, so that now they do not break while the cooking process. Okay, so the last. Anyone else is joined? Mridula Chaudhary, thank you so much for joining. Thank you everyone for joining. I'm so glad. So what I'm also doing is checking on the milk. Okay, and then remember we have already added the pan mixture to the milk. Okay, now we will put inside the rasmalai ball. So very carefully, okay? You can use a spoon. Very carefully we will drop in the rasmalai balls. Very gently, very gently. Now when you make this, please use a wide mouth pan, because you want the rasmalai balls to cook properly. So if you use a wide mouth saucepan, it will be really helpful. Okay, so now what you'll do is, we'll not add any, let me wash my hands again. Okay. We will not stir the milk. Hi Inava, hi Sudha Agarwal, I'm making pan rasmalai. It's almost like, the rasmalai is being cooked now. It is stuffed with gulkand, and that is why the name pan rasmalai. Anjana, hi Anjana, you are from Arunachal. I'm so glad you joined. I'll just wipe a few things which I have spilled in the process. Now, do you want me to repeat the procedure once more? So what I have done basically is, I have taken 500 ml of Amul Taza, put it on the gas at medium heat and allow the milk to come to a rolling boil. Okay. Meanwhile, I have crushed 3 pan leaves, meetha pan, and I have cut them into small pieces. And from the 500 ml, I have actually kept around 10 to 12 ml aside. I had not heated that. So I have added that to the pan leaves into the mixer jar, and I have crushed the pan leaves. So that part, which I think you have already seen. So this is what I have used. So still some part is left. What we can do is, we do not want the pan pieces to be inside. Okay. So I have used the seed. Okay. So I have used the seed, and then what I have done is, to the milk I have also added 2 tablespoons of Amul milk powder. We will not use a whitener. We are using Amul milk powder. Lata Kapoor, hi. Namaste. I'm fine, thank you. How much sugar in the milk, please? Okay. Now gulkand is very sweet. So what I have done is, I have added half a tablespoon of powdered sugar. Now sugar depends on your choice, but because it contains gulkand, I have stuffed the rasmalai balls with gulkand. So that will also release some amount of sweetness to the rasmalai. We don't want it to be over sweet. We are all health conscious now, and would want to also have unique recipes, eat unique recipes. So I have added half a tablespoon of powdered sugar to the milk, along with 2 tablespoons of Amul milk powder. Okay, and then I have taken 100 gram of fresh paneer. 100 gram of fresh paneer. Can we see from start? From the start, it will be Preeti ji. From the start, I will not be able to show you, but I can tell you the recipe. So I have taken 500 ml of Amul Taza. From 500 ml, I have taken 10 to 12 ml. I have kept it aside. Then to the 500 ml, I have put it on flame. on medium flame. Okay, and I have added 2 tablespoons of Amul milk powder and half a tablespoon of sugar. Clear till this much, and allowed it to boil. Now meanwhile I have crushed 3 meetha pan leaves into smaller pieces, added that 12 ml of milk that I have kept it aside. I have added it to the mixing jar, and I have crushed it. Now the extract I have put it in the saucepan. Okay. Now meanwhile I have taken 100 gram of fresh paneer, added half a tablespoon of maida, half a tablespoon of Amul milk powder again, and I have Aditi Jain, hi, and I have Toffin Latti Dingra, hi, hello. And what I have done is I have added half a tablespoon of Amul's milk powder, half a tablespoon of maida, and I have kneaded it very well. Then I have stuffed, put it into balls, make it into balls, and then I have stuffed the balls with gulkand. So gulkand is rather sticky. So what I have done is to be able to make it easily, what I have done is I have put it in the freeze for 4 to 5 hours so that it hardens. Okay, and then pan rasmalai is done, and then what I have done is I have scraped it with a spoon and made firm balls so that it doesn't stick to your hand and it is easy to work with. Okay, so I have stuffed the balls, and once when the milk is hot, I have switched on the gas again. When the milk is still hot, I have put in the rasmalai. Now once you put the stuffed rasmalai, we will not stir it because it will break. So we will just stir the saucepan in gently so that there is no breakage. So the pan rasmalai is ready. I'll just show you. Do try it out at home. Because it's homemade and I have not added anything, it is very, very soft. Very, very gently. Okay, now I'll clean the sides. Okay, then we'll add a dash of dry fruits and some dried rose petal, and I'll decorate so what we'll do is we'll also sprinkle some How does it look? Which Gulkand brand? Okay, I'll tell you the name of the brand. I got it from online. So the name of the Gulkand brand is Pure Gulkand. It's Pure Gulkand. Hi, Sheetal Sahai, Pushpa, hi, hello. No, the Amul Taza milk for adding with the pan leaves, we are not heating it. We are not heating it. Before we put the milk on the boil, we'll keep 10 to 12 ml aside for making the pan extract. Anything else? Hello, Ladli Dhingra. Anything else? So our, the recipe is not very difficult. It's a very easy recipe. The only thing to be kept in mind when making it is to, if you see that you need the paneer very well, because the more you need, the better will be, and there will be lesser chance of breaking. And please do not forget to use maida and milk powder. This will also make the paneer more easy to work with. Anything else? Yeah. Thanks for your sweet recipe, and thanks so much. Yes, Rinku, thank you all actually. Thank you my viewers for giving your time and joining me live here, supporting me. So would you want to have a recap? So what I have done is, today I showed you how to make pan rasmalai, okay? It's a very unique rasmalai. It's already done. Within half an hour you can make it, not an issue. What you need to do first is, I have taken 500 ml of Amul Taza. From that 500 ml, I have taken 10 to 12 ml, I have kept it aside. The rest of the milk, I have put it on flame medium, allowed it to come to rolling boil. As it came to rolling boil, I added 2 tablespoons of Amul milk powder, not the whitener, Amul spray. Okay, so I'm using this Amul spray. Then I have added half a teaspoon of powdered sugar. Now I have added less sugar because we are going to stuff the rasmalai balls with gulkand, which is also very sweet. Okay, so once this is done, next step what I did was, I took 3 meetha pan leaves, washed it, cut it into small pieces, and with that 10 ml that I had kept aside, I have crushed, okay, and sieved the extract and added to the milk. Now why I have sieved it? Because we do not want to have any pan leaves when we have the rasmalai. You can also add green color, not an issue, but I have not added. Now the next step that I have done is, I have switched up the gas after that. And the next step which I have done is, I have taken 100 gram of fresh paneer, added half a tablespoon of maida and half a tablespoon of Amul spray again, kneaded for about 15 minutes till it has become soft like makhan butter, okay, like it looks like Amul butter, and then I have made it into balls. So around 100 gram of the paneer will give you around 8 to 10 rasmalai balls. So then once after making the balls, I have stuffed it with gulkand. Now gulkand is very sticky, so what I have done is, so that it becomes easy to work with it, I have put the gulkand in the fridge for about 5 to 6 minutes so that it had hardened. See, I had to scrape it with a spoon, and then I have scraped it with a spoon and made 8 small balls. Okay, now 8 because I had made 8 rasmalai balls. Now after that, I have stuffed each of the rasmalai balls with the gulkand properly, so that the balls doesn't break, and we also cannot see the gulkand that is inside. And then put it on the warm milk, and I have heated it again for about 5 to 8 minutes, and then your pan rasmalai will be done. Hope you enjoyed my recipe. Hope you liked the way I explained. So I think it's already time. Where do we get meetha pan? Preeti ji, you can get meetha pan in any of the pan shops. Gali ka pan shop जो होता है, वहीं पे आपको मीठा पान मिल जाएगा. You just have to say मीठा पान दे दो, 2 मीठा पान या 3 मीठा पान चाहिए. They will give you only the मीठा पान without the masala inside. Anything else? Have you boiled the rasmalai? Yes. After putting the rasmalai balls, I have not boiled it because the balls are very soft. What I have done, the milk was still hot, so I had allowed the milk. I had warmed the milk and put the rasmalai balls here inside for 5 to 8 minutes. Because it is handmade, homemade. So it will, and I have made the paneer as well from Amul Taza 6-7 hours before the show. So, it will get cooked very easily, and when you knead it properly, it will really get cooked very, very easily. So, it's a quick recipe. Hi Patelji, hello. I want to know milk was boiling after. No, I didn't allow the milk to boil because I don't want the milk, the rasmalai balls to break. Okay, so I didn't allow it to boil. I was just stirring it like this. We didn't even use a spoon or anything inside. So we have to be careful so that the milk does not, the rasmalai balls does not break. Anything else? Any queries? No? Shall I wind up then? Before I wind up, I want to thank each and every one of you for joining me live on Amul's Simple Homemade Recipe. I hope you have not forgotten my name. I'm Ivy Boys. I have my own YouTube channel, What's Cooking in Ivy's Kitchen. You can try, you'll find a few interesting recipes, very traditional recipes are also there. Do try it out, and thank you so much for your time. Thank you, Amul. Much love to you all. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.